How about amlodipine in the morning? Sabi ni Sir JC Enterprise. So himayin natin yung tanong ni Sir JC. Well, let's start with defining what is amlodipine. Amlodipine is an antihypertensive medication. It's classified under a calcium channel blocker, and its main effect sa katawan natin is pinapaluwagan niya yung daluyan ng dugo. Specifically, ang main target natin is around the coronary arteries, yung daluyan ng dugo sa may puso, and even some small vessel arteries, para lang din magkaroon tayo ng lesser build up ng pressure sa mga areas na yan. Ang mga binabantayan lang na side effects, kadalasan and uncomfortable na napapansin in some cases are edema or pagmamanas, specifically sa may area kung saan gravity is affected, so meaning sa may talampakan or sa paa. Now, bakit morning? Pwede rin tanongin natin, bakit hapon? Bakit kailangan may strict na oras na kailangan inumin ng amlodipine? Ang amlodipine kasi may half-life siya na umaabot na almost the entire day. So pag sinabi kong half-life, yung epekto niya kasi mahaba, matagal. So that's why it's important na you take the medication once a day only in a particular day. No? Kasi if you take it twice a day, it doubles the effect and it doubles the risk of developing some side effects like your edema or manas. Kahit 5 milligrams or 10 milligrams man yan. Some studies mentioned na sa 5 milligram na amlodipine was lesser ang effect ng edema. Okay, while there is a higher chance of developing edema sa mga 10 milligram dosage, especially in the morning. No? Pero if you're taking it consistently, once a day lang na 5 milligrams, ganon, and or 10 milligrams, and regular siya, and wala ka naman napapansin na pagmamanas, it's okay, don't be scared, and it just means your body is well adapted to the medication. And again, those side effects may not occur, no? It doesn't affect everyone. May mga separate individuals lang na nagkakaroon ng ganong effects. This is just one way also to correct my first video about amlodipine, which was important din na maging health education for patients with hypertension. And again, it's important na you take it regularly, similar to telmisartan. If you started taking it in a particular time, let's say 8 a.m., always take it 8 a.m. Okay, huwag kang miss ng isang oras, 2 oras. Pero kung ma-miss mo man siya, let's say for example, na-miss mo yung dosage mo 8 a.m., 10 o'clock na, i-take mo pa rin. Pero the next day, take it 10 o'clock na ulit. So mag-a-adjust na ang schedule mo. Okay? It will always be dependent within 24 hours dosage, and always go back to your doctor if ever nagkaroon kayo man ng pagbabago ng epekto, or meaning pagbabago ng nararamdaman tungkol sa gamot. Always do your regular follow-ups. It would either be monthly, every 3 months, depende kung ano yung nabanggit ng inyong doktor. Okay? Hopefully nakatulong ito, Sir JC. Kung morning ito, stick to the morning routine just as long as it was prescribed by your doctor. Okay? Again, this is Doc Chris, your online family doctor, making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life.